South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.
Heen.
Asafoetida.
Right. Elaichi. Mace. M-A-C-E.
Jaifal. M-A-C-E. Mace. Nutmeg. हिंदी चाहिए ना? Javitri.
Javitri is the right answer. Wow.
He is a very, very, very good artist. He sings fantastic. And one thing which annoys me, there are many things that annoys me about him, but I will give it to him because he is a very good singer.
Okay. Who's impatient?
Impatient.
हाँ.
Impatient.
हाँ.
Rahul Krishna is the most impatient.
Well, boss lady Rubina joins me now and we have a game. Okay. अभी laughter chefs में आप आ रहे हो. I know you're very good at it, but चलो, I think you're gonna win it. सबके साथ खेल रहे. 5 words I'm gonna give in Hindi, which you have to translate to English. Items, food items.
Food item.
Okay, 5 in Hindi to English, 5 English to Hindi. So
अरे,
10 में है.
अच्छा,
ठीक है?
चल.
First 5. Heen.
Asafoetida.
Right. Elaichi.
Cardamom.
Right. 2 out of 2. Long.
Clove.
3 out of 3. मुझे पता था ये जीत जाएंगे. तेज पत्ता.
Bay leaf.
4 out of 4. धनिया.
Coriander.
5 out of 5. अब इंग्लिश से हिंदी.
English से हिंदी. अच्छा चलो.
Mace. M-A-C-E.
Jaifal. M-A-C-E. Mace. Nutmeg. हिंदी चाहिए ना? Javitri.
Javitri is the right answer. वाह. किसी को नहीं आया था ये. Fenugreek.
मेथी.
वाह. Cumin.
जीरा.
Carom seeds.
सौंफ. नहीं. अजवाइन.
अजवा. Oh my God. Fennel seeds.
सौंफ.
10 में से 10. इसमें how many stars have you already got? I think
उसका मत पूछो वो. उसको देखने के लिए please watch Laughter Chefs.
I want to know your paired opposite, your biggest opponent on Big Boss, Rahul.
I am paired opposite my headache. Jokes apart, he's a good guy.
He is. ये जो pairing थी, it's one of the most talked about pairings because of course the channel also would have wanted, na? No. What is it that about Rahul that you love the most, and what is it that annoys you the most?
He is a very, very, very good artist. He sings fantastic. And one thing which annoys me, there are many things that annoys me about him, but I will give it to him because he is a very good singer.
Okay. No, but what is it that annoys you still?
He's standing next to me.
Okay. Who's most likely to be the dumbest? Like with food, who's like dumb?
Samarth. मेरा मतलब समर्थ. He's all smart with food.
What has he done?
He's done nothing.
एक तो किसी ने करची तोड़ दी.
शायद
वही दोनों है. Okay. Who's impatient?
Impatient.
हाँ.
Impatient.
हाँ.
Rahul Krishna is the most impatient.
And the worst cook?
Samarth and Abhishek.
Best?
Best? I think it's between me and Krishna.
Okay. And last घर पे क्या खाना पकाया था आपने और क्या आपके पति ने बना के खिलाया?
Last that Abhinav made for me was mushroom soupy noodles and he aces it. Amazing and outstanding he makes it. और मैंने अभी हाल ही में I think हफ्ता पहले पानी पूरी बनाया.
But thank you, 10 out of 10. चलो done.
ठीक है.
Thank you, done हो गया.
Excuse me, we can cheat. Please stand by पे रहो, आंसर बताना.
What?
Ass.
It is sounding very wrong. तेज पत्ता.
Belly.
Bailey.
Oh,
shit, यार. राजी.
Hey, आवाज कम.
Mace.
Mace मतलब?
M-A-C-E.
वो बेस मतलब वो ना.
I think right now I am very overwhelmed, very happy, very content because yes, I had thought कि Rohan, 1.5-2 साल का हो जाएगा, then I will think of getting back. But the opportunity जो मुझे MasterChef से मिला है, ये मिलेगा ये नहीं सोचा था and everybody knows my love, my passion for cooking. It has never been under wraps.
That's true.
तो द मिनट आई गॉट एन ऑफर कि मैं यहाँ मतलब इससे आऊँ 4 साल बाद एंड द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वाज ओके देन आई गॉट अ लिटिल वरिड कि नहीं रूहान के साथ कैसे होगा क्या होगा ये वो एंड देन आई एम डिस्कसिंग इट विद शोएब एंड ही वाज लाइक सब हो जाएगा यू वांट टू डू इट let's do it. So, you know, that kind of support, सबसे बड़ा when you talk about mental support, your half battle is won. If mentally you know that you have people standing with you, you have your family, you have your man standing with you saying, go there girl, do it now, it's your
not
time.
just him, his entire family.
Exactly, you know, it's your time again, just go and do it. And he told me this, I remember that, Dippy, you have to give it your best because it's your second innings that you're beginning. And I was like, okay. So that, then I have my mom here, my staff is here. Shoaib keeps coming in the evenings and spending time with Shoaib and spending time with Ruhan. And Ruhan यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा comfortable हो गया है. So, you know, I have to give it to the production house also. They've been so considerate that I am here with a baby and I want to give it my best. Yeah, you know, they make sure that he has a clean, neat room. Even if I'm here for workshops, they give him a clean room. Everything is taken care of. So, yeah, that support is very important.
You know, whenever I look at both of you, you and Shoaib especially, and the family, I feel everybody talks about red flag, green flags today. I think the entire family is a green flag for each other. Like whenever I see that, yeah, absolutely. And you know, not many people have that privilege.
Yeah.
This is a huge privilege.
Yes.
And I'm sorry I'm saying this, but it's a huge privilege for a woman to have that backing from their in-laws.
Absolutely. No, please. I totally agree. And I am, you know, I very proudly flaunt it. And the best part is, मैं ये हमेशा कहती हूँ that in our family, the best part is that we don't overcomplicate things. Yeah. And you know, we keep our expectations, नहीं ठीक है, हाँ, okay. Everybody has their own lives. Yeah. लेकिन we respect everybody's role. एंड किसी को ना बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, सबको पता है कि उन्हें अपने रोल में क्या करना है. सो इट जस्ट रन्स थ्रू, इट जस्ट सेल्स थ्रू सो स्मूथली दैट यू डोंट हैव, इट्स सो एफर्टलेस.
Yeah, you know, but I'll tell you something. Over the last few years, I've seen you guys are so patient with everything. Both of you, I don't know how you get that. That's why I call you a consort battleship. You're strong. But sometimes it's not just about the strength, it's also about being so patient. I have fought online and I used to feel like, why are they saying? I just feel that kind people are often targeted and trolled. And I genuinely, and I'm saying this from personal experience, both of you are extremely kind human beings.
Thank you.
Does it get to you sometimes? That
it does. See, we are humans at the end. And you know, if I say कि oh मुझे बिल्कुल कभी फर्क नहीं पड़ता, please, that's not possible. I'm a human being, and there are times when I sit and I say that why I am not doing anything bad to anybody. I am living my life
on
happily,
your own terms, absolutely.
On my terms, what makes me happy, and I'm just sharing it with people that maybe out of 10, if just one person would, you know, would get a smile on their face looking at my bit, I would feel happy about it, because I think we all live in such a stressful environment कि अगर किसी को एक मुस्कुराहट भी आ गई तो I'd be like चल ठीक है यार, और कुछ नहीं किया, एक किसी को हंसा दिया. But having said that, yes, it is very important to be patient.
South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.